Next concept is conditional. It is also called as implication. Now what? Implication. The definition of conditional is two or more simple statements are combined by using logical connective if then. Okay, suppose consider two simple statements P and Q. P and Q are two simple statements. Okay, here P and Q are connected with a logical connective if then, as like if then. For example, here I am taking one simple statement. P is a function. A function is a differentiable. A function is differentiable, right? And Q is a function. A function is a continuous. A function is continuous. Then here P and Q are two simple statements. Here now I am connecting a P and Q with a logical connective if then, as like if P is what? A function is differentiable. A function is a differentiable, right? Then Q is what? A function is continuous. That means it is continuous. Okay, okay, if P is what? A function is differentiable, then Q is what? It is continuous. Okay, then the main part is truth table. What? Truth table. The truth table for conditional is P, Q, P implies Q. Here P and Q are connected with the if then connective. Okay, it is symbolically write as P implies Q. It is read as P implies Q or P if P then Q. Okay, see, the truth values of P are true, true, false, false. The truth values of Q are true, false, true, false. Then what is the truth values of P implies Q? ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, the P implies Q is only false. Only false. If P is true and Q is false. P true ಇರಬೇಕು, Q false ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ P implies Q ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? False ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Otherwise it is a true. Otherwise it is a true. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಮೇನ್ ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ನೌ we are moving the next concept, that is biconditional. That is biconditional. Biconditional. Biconditional, it is also called as double implication. What? Double implication. Double implication. Then the definition of biconditional is two or more simple statements are combined by using logical connective if and only if. Again consider P and Q are two simple statements. Here P and Q are connected with the if and only if connective. It comes like P if and only if Q. For example, I consider P simple statement, a triangle. A triangle is a equilateral. Equilateral, and Q is A triangle is equiangular. Equiangular. Now I write P and Q with a connective if and only if. P is what? A triangle. A triangle is equilateral. Here what? Connective. That is if and only if. Then Q is what? A triangle is equiangular. That means it is equiangular. That is equiangular. Okay. Then main part is here P if and only if Q. It is symbolically represented as P biconditional Q. Okay. Then truth table. For biconditional is a P biconditional Q. Okay. The truth values of P are true, false. The truth values of Q are true, false. Then biconditional Q is only true if P and Q have the same truth values. ಅಂದ್ರೆ P biconditional Q ಯಾವಾಗ ಟ್ರೂ ಬರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ P ಮತ್ತೆ Q ದ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಟ್ರೂ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಟ್ರೂ ಇದೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಟ್ರೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಟ್ರೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿ, ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? P biconditional Q ಟ್ರೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಉಳಿಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಟೈಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಟ್ರೂ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದು? ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೂ ಇದೆ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇರೋಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಟ್ರೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ತಿಳಿತಲ್ಲ? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.